Good morning, 7th class children. In previous class, we learned about exponents. Exponents. Same number repeatedly writing means you can write in short form, in exponent form. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 suppose. If you write 100 times, it will take time. In easy way, 10 to the power of 100. Suppose we have tried 5 10 times. It will take time. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Like that we have to count and right now. It will take time. But in easy way, we can write 5 to the power of 10. In this 5 to the power of 10, 5 is called as base, 10 is called exponent, base exponent or power. 5 to the power of 10. 10. Base, we have to read base first. Now, today, fourth problem in page number 48, 78, fourth A. For expressing power notation. Express in power notation. For we have write in exponent form. Number 1, 125. Number 2, 128. Number 3, minus 343. And 4, 49 by 25. And 5th, minus 8 by 27. 6th, 81 by 625. How to do? Let us write prime factorization. Prime factorization. 125. Prime factorization. 5 means definitely it is divisible by 5 only. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 5 5s are. So this is nothing but 125 is equal to 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5. 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. So we can write this as power notation 5 cube. 5 cube is the answer for 125. Similarly for 128, it is even number. First prime number 2. 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 128 can be written as 2 power 7. Once again count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right. And 343 minus later. 7th are going. 7th 4th are 28. 6 3 is there. 7 9 are. Again 7 7. So 343 minus 343 is equal to minus 7 cube. 3 times. 1 2 3 7. And put the same minus for base. You can also write like this. Minus is there, it is there. For numerator 49, 49, 7 7, For 25, 5 5s are. So 49 by 25 can be written as, how many 7s are there? 1, 2, 7 squared by 5 squared. The same can be written as 7 by 5 whole squared. Or notice. We did not write separately for numerator denominator and write 7 by 5 whole squared. Here also 8 prime factorization of how many factors? 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 27 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So minus 8 by 27 can be written as 2 cube by 3 cube. And minus 8 is there minus. The same can be written as minus 2 by 3 whole cube. Like this. But similarly, 8 for 81. 81, odd number 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 remains, 2 7s, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. Like this. And 625. 625, 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5. 5 2s are, 5 5s are, and 5 5s are. Like this. How many 5s? For 625, 4. For 81, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 81 can be written as 3 power 4 by 5 power 4. The same can be written as 3 by 5 whole power 4. 3 by 5 whole power 4. Yes. You can write for whole. Next to another question. Find the value of. Find the value of. 4 questions. Number 1. Minus 5 cube into minus 1 4 power 7 into 2 square. Second question. 1 by 3 cube into 3 by 5 whole square. Third. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole cube into 2 cube. Fourth, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Six squared, 8 squared, 10 squared. So that now let us find the values. So write 3 times 5 cube minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5. And minus 1 7 times means minus 1 only. We need not write. And 2 2 square, 2 into 2. Now, the value of minus 5 cube, minus 125. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. And minus 1 whole power 7. Since it is odd power, we can write minus 1 only. 2 into 2, 4. Like this. Now, minus into minus becomes plus. For 125 fourths are directly we can write 500. Oh, first one. And second one, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 2 times. Oh. Here 3 cancel, 3 cancel. Only one left in the numerator. In the denominator, 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. 1 by 7. Now, this is 2 times 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 and 2 cube value is 8. Now, here 2 cube 8 is 8 cancel. In the numerator left 9. How many negatives are there? Odd power. So minus is there in the numerator, minus 9 by 16. This much. 2 into 2, 4 to the 8 cancel. And 4 into 4, 16 remains. Okay. 2 cube, we know 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Plus 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. Plus 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 2 cube, 8. 3 cube, 27. 4 cube, 64. Add. Now, 4, 7, 11, 11, 8, 19, 7 to 9, 99, like this. 35, 99. So that 6 square plus 8 square is 10 square. So this is 36, this is 64, 100 square, 10 square is 100. 36, 64 is 100, like this. So, let us find the values then. One more question. We have to write the following as power of 5. 60%. Write the following numbers. Write the following numbers as a power of 5. As a power of 5. Number 1, 5. Number 2, 25. Number 3, 1. Number 4, 625. Number 5, 3, 1, 5. See, for only one 5 is there, so write 1, 5 power 1. 5 into 5, 25 means 5 into 5, 2 times, so this is 5 square. Here 1 is there, so for any base. If the power is 0, value is 1. 10 power 0 also 1. 1000 power 0 also 1. For any base, if the power is 0, its value is 1. Remember, important. This is 625. 4 times, 5 times, 4 times you get 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. This is 5 power 4. And this is 5 times 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this is 5 power 5. This is the notation writing as base 5. And see, you practice this. A boy was asked to write 2 power 5 into 9 squared, but he wrote 2592. The numerical difference between the two is, see, one problem, multiple choice questions you have to do. 2 power 5 into 9 squared. 2 power 5 is 90, 32, this is 81. Product of these two. Multiply 81 into 32. Multiply. So 1 are 2, 2 8 are 60. 3 1 are 3, 3 8 are 24. So 2 9 5. And here, but the student write the answer 2592. So difference both are same. Difference of these two numbers is no. So it is correct. The boy written that whatever he written, that is correct. That was correct. Like that, you please practice multiple choice questions. And tomorrow, laws of exponents. Thank you. Practice this. Page number 78. Exponents. Very interesting chapter.